Why does my watch say that it is watertight down to 200 meters under the water, but not deeper than that? Water weight. So if you are underwater, you are experiencing the weight of all the water above you. This makes pressure to increase the deeper you go. The pressure from water wants to compress you and your body fights back. Although humans are delicate, limited creatures and you need to be careful if you scuba dive. If you are scuba diving at a certain depth in a closed container, you will experience the same pressure no matter the shape of the container. The pressure, as we saw in a previous lesson, depends only on the depth at which you are. Pascal's principle states that a change in pressure applied to an enclosed liquid is transferred to all parts of that liquid. For example, if you are in a closed tank and you put an extra weight on that tank, there will be a pressure increase in all of the liquid. You will experience that increase no matter where you are. Of course, the pressure in the high end of the tank is lower than at the bottom of the tank, but the increase due to the external weight is equal all across the liquid. The extra weight over the surface area. This is a very interesting property as we can use it in our advantage to lift heavy objects. For example, consider this hydraulic system. For any given depth, there is a given pressure. The system is balanced. Suppose the leads are of the same material and the same height, so the weight of each lead is distributed over each of the areas in the system. So they add the same pressure, as pressure is weight over surface area. So the pressure is the same, but the pressure from the block on the left is weight 1 over area 1, and the pressure from the block on the right is weight 2 over area 2. Because these two pressures are the same, we get that the weight 1 over area 1 is equal to the weight 2 over area 2. But what happens if you put an extra weight on only one of the sides? There is an increase of pressure that is distributed to the whole liquid. Now we have that the other side needs to compensate. Then the other side will go up so that the pressure over the same level in the water on both sides is the same. On the left we have weight 1 plus F, and on the other side we have weight 2 plus the weight of the water that has been displaced. But because the left side has a smaller surface area, this means that weight on the right hand side is larger than the extra placed on the left hand side. So with a small force we can lift an object if the ratios between the surface areas is the right one. May science be with you.